Rochester man went before a judge this morning in what is believed to be the largest cyber investigation into coercion, exploitation, and production of child sexual abuse material in Rochester Police Department history.
A Rochester man recently appeared in court facing a total of 13 cyber crime charges that have sent shockwaves through the local community. Authorities claim that his online activities spanned over several years, involving the exploitation of minors and engaging in illicit digital activities that violated state and federal laws. This case has drawn significant media attention due to its severity, the digital forensics involved, and the implications it holds for cybersecurity and law enforcement in the digital age. Background of the case. Law enforcement agencies, including the Federal Bureau of Investigation, FBI, and the local cybercrime unit, launched an investigation into the suspect after receiving multiple complaints regarding suspicious online behavior. Reports indicated that the accused had been using various digital platforms, including social media, encrypted messaging services, and illicit websites, to engage in predatory behavior. The suspect, identified as 37-year-old Dana Foster, was arrested following an extensive sting operation that uncovered overwhelming evidence of his cyber activities. Authorities found thousands of illicit images and conversations that suggested he had been engaging in illegal activities for several years. Foster's arrest marked a significant moment in the fight against cyber exploitation, demonstrating law enforcement's increasing ability to track and apprehend criminals operating in digital spaces. Details of the charges. Foster has been charged with 13 cyber crimes, which include possession of child exploitative material. Authorities found thousands of explicit images and videos on his electronic devices. Distribution of illegal digital content. He allegedly shared exploitative material across dark web forums and encrypted platforms. Solicitation of a minor. Online conversations indicate attempts to lure underage individuals into inappropriate exchanges. Production of illicit content. Evidence suggests he coerced minors into producing explicit materials. Unlawful online communication with minors, engaging in inappropriate exchanges with underage individuals across various platforms. Use of fake online identities. He reportedly used multiple fake profiles to deceive victims and evade law enforcement. Conspiracy to commit cyber exploitation. Authorities suspect he worked with others in underground digital networks. Computer intrusion and unauthorized access. Evidence suggests he hacked into accounts to steal personal images and data. Obstruction of justice. Destroying evidence by attempting to wipe data from devices before his arrest. Money laundering through cryptocurrencies, using Bitcoin and other digital currencies to fund and profit from illegal activities. Distribution of exploitative software, allegedly involved in creating and selling software designed to hide illicit activities. Blackmail and extortion. Evidence suggests he threatened victims to prevent them from reporting him. Failure to register as a offender. He had a prior history of related offenses and failed to comply with legal requirements. These charges carry severe penalties with the potential for a life sentence if convicted on multiple counts. The investigation and sting operation. The investigation into Foster's activities was complex, involving cooperation between local law enforcement, federal authorities, and international cybercrime units. Digital forensic experts worked to uncover encrypted messages, track IP addresses, and analyze dark web activity. A sting operation was carried out in which an undercover officer posed as a minor online, leading to Foster's engagement in incriminating conversations. The operation culminated in a raid on his residence, where authorities seized multiple electronic devices, including laptops, smartphones, and hard drives, all containing explicit material. Court proceedings and legal defense. During his initial court appearance, Foster pleaded not guilty to all charges. His defense attorney argued that some of the evidence may have been obtained improperly, raising concerns about digital privacy laws. However, prosecutors presented compelling evidence, including digital logs, recorded conversations, and testimony from forensic experts who confirmed the authenticity of the materials recovered. Legal experts predict a lengthy trial due to the sheer volume of evidence and the complexity of cyber-related crimes. If convicted, Foster could face decades behind bars, with mandatory minimum sentences applying to several of the charges. Impact on the community. The case has deeply affected the Rochester community, particularly parents, educators, and law enforcement officials. Concerned citizens have called for stricter monitoring of online activities and better digital education programs to protect minors from cyber predators. Schools have ramped up internet safety programs, and law enforcement agencies are urging parents to be more vigilant about their children's online interactions. Local advocacy groups have also stepped forward, offering support to potential victims and raising awareness about the dangers of online exploitation. Cybersecurity experts are emphasizing the importance of reporting suspicious activity and educating users about the risks of engaging with strangers online. Legal and cybersecurity implications. Foster's case raises critical questions about cybersecurity, digital privacy, and law enforcement's role in monitoring online spaces. While digital surveillance is crucial in catching cybercriminals, it also raises concerns about personal privacy and data security. This case serves as a reminder that online platforms must enforce stricter content moderation policies and work closely with law enforcement to track illegal activities. Moreover, advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning are being explored as tools to detect and prevent such crimes more efficiently. Community and government response. The case has sparked widespread discussions about the need for stronger legislative action against cybercrimes. Government officials are now considering stricter regulations, including increased penalties for online predators and enhanced monitoring of digital platforms. Lawmakers are pushing for improved cybersecurity infrastructure and funding for cybercrime investigation units. The Department of Justice and other federal agencies are looking into ways to close legal loopholes that allow offenders to evade justice. Local organizations and nonprofits have also stepped up efforts to support victims, launching awareness campaigns and lobbying for new laws aimed at protecting minors from online exploitation. The government is expected to implement additional safety protocols, including mandatory reporting from tech companies and harsher sentencing guidelines for convicted cybercriminals. As the legal proceedings continue, Foster remains in custody without bail, awaiting further hearings. The case highlights the ever-evolving nature of cybercrime and the growing need for stringent digital laws and enforcement mechanisms. With increasing reliance on digital communication, law enforcement agencies must continue developing sophisticated methods to track, investigate, and prosecute cybercriminals effectively. Meanwhile, public awareness and proactive engagement are essential in preventing online exploitation, ensuring a safer digital environment for everyone. The Rochester community remains hopeful that justice will be served and that this case will lead to stronger protections against cyber sex crimes in the future. Thank you guys for watching. If you want more videos like this, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.